I wanted to tell you about the workshop that I did yesterday. That was the figurine workshop, the paper doll kind of thing. It was really a lot of fun. One of the class participants was this active 5-year-old. She had just turned 5 in April. So she will be going into kindergarten in the fall. Well, she was so active, and these are the dolls that she created. And she even had a little story about them. They were friends. They're talking to each other, etc., etc. So she was pretty active. The other participants were a 3rd grader and a 4th grader and an adult and a librarian. The thing about the library is that there are so many creative free classes. The woman was telling me that at one of the libraries she did flower decorating. I said, real flowers? And she said, yes, real flowers. Creativity is something that can just explode inside you. It gets getting yourself to stop and do something that is maybe doesn't have any real meaning. Well, it has meaning, but my point is that doing something that stops you from concentrating on so many things that are maybe problematic, or even just allowing you to go away. It's sort of like a brain vacation. It may not be like an island or anything like that, but for the moment that you're doing this creative project, it stops you from maybe worrying about other things that are looming. And it doesn't mean it changes those things. This project, the figurine project that we did yesterday, was at the Poppenhusen. I'm gonna say the name wrong. It was in Queens. And a lovely library. And I'm just gonna encourage all of us to take advantage of these adult programs that exist. They're free. The supplies are supplied for you. You just have to show up and have some creativity, expectations for yourself. Now, are you going to leave out of there and now you're going to be a paper artist? I doubt that. But it just leaves you an opportunity to have a moment of rest. Allow yourself to do something, and even if you just go to visit the museum, or if you participate in just a walk along, there are tons of free programs available throughout the city, and they're available through the libraries, including the Queens Public Library, which is where I'm doing quite a few workshops. But there are so many. Just go on the websites and allow yourself some opportunity to explore your own creative process and brain. Give yourself a brain vacation. And I look forward to seeing you or hearing what you've done. Just pop it in the discussion comments and tell me, I'm doing this and I enjoyed it. Just share, because other people may get on board with something that you might have liked doing. So that's it for today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, rest of the week, and thanks for stopping by.